In this video, I'm going to show you how to make some paper trees using an Explorer Air 2 and some Kraft Board. The first step is to cut the Kraft Board on a StandardGrip cutting mat. If you have an Air 2, you'll need to move your smart dial to custom and search for Kraft Board in Design Space. So assembling the trees is super simple. Basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna match up a tree that has a slit on the top and then one that has it on the bottom, and you're just gonna tuck them together, have the creases meet, and then just slide it down, line it up, and that's it. The nice thing about doing it this way too is that when it comes to the end of the year and you're packing up all your Christmas decorations, you can easily just take it out and you could store them flat like this. If you want to make this project for free, I've included a link to it in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more Cricut projects. Thanks for watching!